Now I'm something of a collector of sunscreens. I have one for my body and one for my face and one in an aerosol spray. Hi, I'm Sanjana Ganesan and you are watching me on Be Beautiful. So my beauty holy grail is very simple. In my 20s, I wish I could go back and shake that girl up and be like, wear sunscreen. Today, as a 30-plus-year-old, I can tell you that it works. So first, you put on a lot of sunscreen, no matter where you're going, no matter what you're doing. Sunscreen is very important. Second, prioritize drinking water, because if you're hydrated on the inside, it's going to make you look glowy on the outside. I thought that was not true, but it is. So drink water and go to bed on time, because that shows a well-rested face, body and mind is ready for the day. It not only helps me look good, but I need to be super alert when I'm on the job, and if I haven't slept, it shows. And I'm going to make a boo-boo on a live telecast and nobody wants that. So get your sleep, put on some sunscreen and drink water. I am just the girl next door. I love summers, I love sunshine, and I'm a mum and a wife. I enjoy reading books, curling in with my family for a great movie. I love food, so I cook it. I prioritize skincare to the T where I am in my life at this moment. So I feel like good skin is the basis for just all of it. It's just some vitamin C, a good moisturizer, a lot of sunscreen, face and body. Now I'm something of a collector of sunscreens. I have one for my body and one for my face and one in an aerosol spray and one in a cream and one with white cast and one without. So I collect them. It's the story of a happy accident. I studied to be an engineer. Then I went the pageantry way and realized that engineering was not going to cut it for me. And I sort of moved to Bombay in pursuit of something. And sports kind of found me. It was a challenge to learn about the game and learn about broadcast and fit into the industry and all of that. But I work very hard every day, and the challenge is what's kept me in the sport for so long. It's a nice primer, a nice concealer, multi-use products is something that I work really well with. So if I can double it up as a blush and an eyeshadow and a lipstick, then it's in my vanity. And setting spray is something that I need in my field of work, because I spend long hours at a stadium, so just sealing it all in. A nice fragrance, outfit, shoes, hair, and we're out the door. By now, I thrive on it. It's that excitement and nervousness, but it's the good kind. When I started out, I was petrified, because you've got a earpiece and someone's talking to you the whole time and you're getting instructions. You have to listen to what everyone else on the show has to say and sort of still be relevant and stay within context. But it's something that just gets better the more you do it. I almost enjoy that now more than I enjoy stuff that is pre-recorded, because it's one shot, like Eminem would say, one opportunity. If I had to give out one piece of advice, it would be work hard and believe in yourself. The avenues and the paths create themselves only if you believe in yourself. To me, being beautiful is somebody who is in love with themselves and someone who looks after themselves. And I think that when that happens, a person just glows differently, and that's beauty. Follow Be Beautiful for all things beauty and wellness.